Hi guys, welcome back to Shah's Lifestyle Vlogs. Today we're doing a little bit of a clean with me, and by the way, I do see a lot of my videos I'm in this nightgown. Don't worry, it does get washed. I'm not always in my nightgown. I don't go to work or shopping in my nightgown, but it's cold. It's so cold that through the winter, the minute I come home, I put this on. But I've been home, well, all day so far, and I do have to go to work soon. So I'm going to do a bit of a clean with me. I might add on a little extra clip. It is Friday, by the way. Kylan's doing his homeschooling right now. He's doing higher maths. It's quite a challenging lesson out of all his lessons that he does. But anyway, we're going to do this kitchen a little bit. We're only doing this area. Let me just show you really quickly. Right, so we have some dishes to wash, a pot to scrub, these to put away, and then we have this, guys. Let me put the light on. Let's put the light on. This is the challenge, guys. Yes. Do you see the situation? Yes. All of these Poundland hauls and trips, yeah. But the thing is, I normally keep them quite in a decent way. But, you know, when you're quickly doing something and then you just throw everything back in there. I was actually going to go back to Poundland, and I'm just putting away these dishes, by the way. I was actually going to go back to Poundland and here I am. And by the way, oh my God, where's my manners? How are you? What are you doing? What are you up to? I hope your day is going great. Please excuse my bad manners of not saying hello. Yeah, so I was going to, what was I saying? I was going to go back to Poundland and buy some storage for this situation. By the way, that's all we're doing, this area. Like I said before, don't overwhelm yourself when you're cleaning. Just do a certain area and then do another area another day. Anyway, as I said, to get some storage, but then I started to think, actually, I'm going to end up throwing everything back in there when I'm in a rush anyway. And, you know, it's really nice and it looks really aesthetically pleasing to the eye, obviously, to have your cupboards and shelves and everything in a certain way. I know, I get it, it looks great. But I think that besides these, I think they're shelves. These shelves you can get in Poundland that you can actually, I think it's like a space saver, that's it. Space saver. That's the only thing I think I would get for under there if I was going to go Poundland. Obviously other places, Amazon and so forth online, I will get a lot more choices and a lot more things. But as I said, I'm trying to save money now, so I'm trying not to spend as much as I've been spending through the Christmas. Yeah. By the way, these things over here are still there for Kylan's room and for my bathroom. By the way, the bathroom was a fail. I went to put the screws in and they still, it was a fail, guys, it was a fail. Yeah. I'm going to use one of these new sponges that you saw in my haul last week. I'm going to use one of these for my pot. yeah, it was a fail. So what I'm gonna have to do, which by the way guys, I've just been winging it. I just thought, you know what, this might work. Do you know what, that might work. What I really should do is investigate. I mean, we do have the great YouTube. I could get tips and tricks that I doubt I'll find anything about my personal situation, but you never know. So that's what I plan to do. And tomorrow's Saturday, so I plan to also, I hope you can hear me guys, I plan to also, I'm just washing the dishes real quick. I plan to also do Kylan's lights tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to film me actually doing that, because it looks like it might be a very tedious, long process. So I might just show you the results, if there's results, if we manage to get it done and it is successful, then I will show you the results. So anyway, we're going to finish cleaning these dishes. This is a bit of a catch up with me as well, a little bit like last week, I guess. You know, as I said, I can talk for England, guys, I can talk. As I said before anyway, I do have to go to work, so I will be going in the shower. I've still got my pajamas on, guys, but I will be going in the shower. I've got everything basically ready and set to go. So I'm going to go in the shower, get my work uniform on and get going. Tomorrow is Saturday. I need to wash my floors tomorrow. That's the task for tomorrow, is Kylan's lights and my floors. And hopefully I can get that done. I think I'm going to start with his lights though, because I feel like that's going to take up a lot more time, obviously. It's going to be more time consuming. So I will start there, and then hopefully I have enough time to do his floor. Also, myself and Kylan plans to go and check out some activities that he may be interested in. So we might take a walk depending on how things go tomorrow. But we might take a walk and go and check a couple of clubs that we've been talking about, which is on a Saturday. We would prefer a Saturday because he does class and all his homeschooling Monday to Friday. And Saturday is when he used to do all his activities besides his drama club. His drama club was on a Wednesday evening. And it was quite a distance, so I used to actually finish work, then meet Kai and take him. Anyway, and then I'd just wait in the foyer for him. Anyway, we're going to see how well this scrubs my pot, because this pot has been soaking because someone had burnt something in there. And this is doing actually really well. Conclusion, this is great for pots, most definitely. I do have very old pots though, guys. My pots are very old. But they work, they do the job. So that's that. You've got this chair in the background. I don't know if you can see, But I'm going to put you guys on there next while I empty this cupboard here, my cleaning cupboard with all my cleaning products, and sort them all out, you know. I'm going to clean inside the cupboard, and I don't know about you guys, but do you prefer to sort of start with a clean slate? I do. Sort of do the basics, so you know that's done and out of the way. Then you go on to the actual task, such as Kai's bedroom, for example, because I would be moving furniture and so forth. You know, it's best to give the room a tidy, which Kai will be doing. Give the room a tidy before I can get started. Right, now guys, this is the moment. Right, let's see where to put you guys first. I think the best place is to put you guys over here, I think. You will probably be able to see a lot better, I hope, if I put you there. Right, here we go guys. Let's see, I don't know, are you close enough? Can you see? I hope you can see. Yeah, I think you can see. Right guys, this is the issue. Did you see it? This is the issue. We're going to handle this. We're going to get through this. Right, I think I might do a very quick, please ignore my flaws. Right, I'm going to take everything out.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
Right guys, this is everything out of the cupboard. Now to clean this and put it all back in a more organised fashion. So here we go. So that's it, guys. Cleaned it, didn't take me a minute. Now it's time to start organising and putting everything back. I'm going to start with things that I don't really use. So guys, we have finished with that challenge. I hope you can see me. This chair away. Okay, so we have a few things for the bin right here. A few things for the bin. Let's just quickly put those in the bin right quick. And then these toothbrushes are just spare toothbrushes. They can go in the bathroom, and this can be put away somewhere else. Right, let's look at the results, guys. So this is the result, guys. It didn't take me long, and I put most of the products that I don't use too often to the back, and everything else very, you know, in reach. So yeah, so I don't really feel like getting shelves or containers is going to actually give me the room I need. It might, but I think this will do. What do you think? Let's look at it again in all its glory. I have all my wipes here for the floors and all-purpose wipes. I've got my my dust cloths here, all my sponges for my dishes here, my bin bags over here. These brushes I use for certain cleaning and brushing my sofa. This here and the Fabuloso is all for disinfectant on the sofa. All my bathroom scents, my glass cleaner over here. Then over there I've got my hand wash and mold kind of treatment. My flash, use these when I'm mopping. I'm going to need these tomorrow. My bleaches, sprays and so forth, all here. So basically it's organised enough that I can, it will do, basically. I've wiped the cupboard doors a little bit because they are white. Every opportunity that I get to wipe them out, I do. They do need a better clean, but we will deal with that another time. So anyway, thanks, and I will see you in the next clip. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Shah's Lifestyle Vlogs. This is going to be a very short clip. Currently I am in Kai's room. My hair is about to be pre-pooed, which means it is Saturday. Kylan's at his dad's for the night. So while he wasn't here, I thought, let me get these lights done. Luckily, Kylan did give his room a nice good clean before he left. He left with his nan. So before they left, Kylan did give his room a clean. But I did have to come in here and just clean. Let me show you. And just basically clean all around. I only got to this point though, because obviously I've put the bed here to free up this space. As you see, my ladder is over here. So I have cleaned up there. They recommend that you clean it with rubbing alcohol, but I have run out of that. I'm hoping just Antibac all-purpose cleaning wipes might do the job. I mean, it might not be great. It might not have as good results as rubbing alcohol, because I know rubbing alcohol gets a lot of the grime and dirt out a lot better, but at least it's a little bit cleaner than it was. Currently this is the situation, so it's running down here and it's now here on the floor. I've had to lay it down in such a way that it doesn't stick to on each other. Yeah, that will do. And up here, Kylan normally has some trophies and other bits up here. That was really filthy, this little shelf right here. So these are what was on his shelf. This is just a little thing I got all of them, this with their name on it when they were little. Kylan likes it. Kylan actually made this. I think this was vlogged actually when I used to do some homeschooling. Please go back to my very old videos, as embarrassing as they were. Anyway, so these things and these trophies, I've just given them a bit of a wipe, a bit of a clean, because they were up there and they were very dusty and dirty, so I gave them a clean. So I have opened this double-sided Gorilla tape by Gorilla, and I have tried to cut, let me see, is it going to let me show you? Because a lot of people is saying that one minute, they find it very difficult to peel the tape. So what I've done is, let me just show you real quick. I don't know if you can see that. I'll hold it as close as I can. But if you can see that I've cut some from here. Oh, let me roll it out a little bit further. Right. If you look closely at this line right across here, I've cut it just to see how easy it can cut, and for me to be able to easily peel this back as I cut. That's the plan. I'm hoping that will make my life easier, since I've heard that cutting it and then trying to peel this tape off it can be a little bit tricky. So I thought that might help. I'm still going to have to clean along here and down there. Oh, I've not shown you the, I did buy another reel of thingy of, let me see, how long exactly are they? Let me see. It went all the way here, and we need it to go from here down. I don't know, but I've bought one more. It's in the front room currently. So I've got Kylan's TV, and his wash bag is outside here. If you can see it, I don't know, because I don't want it to break his precious TV, and the wash bag's just in the way. But yeah, we're going to start here tomorrow. And I'm hoping I will be able to get this done before Kylan comes back from his dad's house. And he will be super happy about that. I also hope it works, guys. Fingers crossed that I'm doing this right. I don't know. I'm just winging it. While I have the ladder out, I don't know about you, but while I have the ladder out, I do feel the need to go ahead and clean them unreachable areas that doesn't seem to get a lot of a look in as far as cleaning. So I did give Kylan's windows a quick bit of a clean, because they were a bit grubby. I also moved the bar of his curtains because his curtain pole seems to be going too far in, and I hope you could see me, guys. Yeah, his curtain pole seems to have been too far in, so I've moved them a little bit more forward. I hope they don't drop down. I hope they're going to be fine. They're hovering just above the LED lights. Hope that's not going to be a problem. I plan to do my corners like this, guys. so I don't create a hot spot. Let me show you closer. So that's how I'm planning on doing the corners. I don't know how successful that's going to be, or if that's going to still end up creating some type of a hot spot. I hope not, because then it will just malfunction everything. I'm going to bring this all the way around and tape it just here and there as I go along. Fingers crossed that this works. I will be back to show you the results, if there is results. If there isn't results, then yeah, there isn't results. But if there is results, I will come back and show you and end the vlog there. Okay, thanks guys, see you soon, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Shah's Lifestyle Vlogs. Sorry I'm looking a bit busted and crusted, but my hair is currently in pre-poo. It's the next day. By the way, let me show you what I've done. And yeah, anyway, guys, I did manage, however, to wash my floors, as I said. Oh, I've decided to display my shoes up here, guys. I have a Steez Madden right here. That's I actually wore this on one of my vlogs. I think it's called Memory Lane. Same with this, I wore this on Christmas. But fun fact guys, me and Dominique is the same shoe size. So whenever she buys herself a pair of shoes and they come up a little small for her, because my feet is shorter and her feet is longer, she tends to see if I want them. So a lot of shoes that I have is from her. Obviously these are not, but yeah. And I have put all my trainers down here. I've also done all my washing, guys, but I need to still wash my hair. I've done a load of washing for Kylan, as he is at his dad's, or actually he will be home. He will be coming home now because his dad has to go to work, so Kylan is on his way home. So before he gets home, I wanted to quickly show you the end results. Now the Gorilla double-sided tape, the method that I used to just cut as I go without peeling completely off the other side, worked like a charm. That made things a lot easier. It is hard to cut and you do have to pull and tug, and you do need like a really sturdy scissors. I used my kitchen scissors, but it worked like a charm. It's holding up so far. Let me just show you. So here's the lights. That's how I've chosen to do the corners. So here they are. Obviously over here, you know, doing the corners was a lot it was very tricky. So yeah, and here it is. When I got to here, I realized, oh no, I've run out of LED lights, and it's only a short way. But then I realized, hang on, I can actually bring that to meet it, which I did. And I was so excited, guys, because the minute I switched it on, I used this. I used the remote control for it, and I was pressing this and nothing was happening until I realized this button, the actual on button, the red button at the top here. So when I pressed that, everything lit up like a Christmas tree. It was red and green all the way through. I got really, really, really excited. And then some of the lights started to fade around here, around there, all here started to fade. And then I was only left with the lights running up here, the two running up here and splitting. So I don't know where I've gone wrong, guys. I'm going to show you what I mean. Let me take this light off. I don't know where I've gone wrong. I'm hoping I don't have to take the whole thing off, because I am in no mood to do that. Let me show you anyway. So I switch it on at the main, and then I press this button, and do you see that? Like, all of this is not working here, or around there, or down here, or all here. Just these right here. And obviously they're closer to the power source, so maybe that's a factor. I'm not sure. But yeah, let me take them off. So if you have any solutions, let me know what I've done wrong. Could it be that I actually need to run it down somewhere else? I don't know. Is it too wide a room for is the room too big for all the power to travel right the way through? That's my, let me put the light on, guys. That's my thinking. Please excuse this whole bonnet situation. As I said, I have pre-pooed last night, it being a Saturday night, and I'm about to go in the shower. After a tea, I'm going to go in the shower and have a shower and wash this out. But yeah, that's a bit of a shame. Unfortunately, Kylan's going to come home and find that as much as I've put them up, they're not exactly in working order. So I don't know what I can do. Like I said, if you have any solutions, obviously I know the obvious, you know, to get the corner attachments and to learn how to cut and so on. I know the obvious, but I just want these lights to be able to switch on, guys. All this has no power running through it at all. So, and I was so excited. The whole thing lit up the minute I finished, but then it went to just this area. So anyway, the Gorilla Glue, for anyone that has working LED light strips, the Gorilla double-sided tape works if you don't want it to droop. Well, so far it's holding up so far. I've not put the I've not opened the windows. I don't want no air to get to it. I want it to be able to stick firmly, but I also want a solution as to why this is happening. So anyway, that's that. It was a fail, guys. It was a fail. I will keep you updated on that. Anyway, guys, let me just end the vlog in here. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go now. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. So stay safe, be safe. Oh, by the way, you will see this a week behind. This particular vlog, it has been banked, so this, you're basically looking at the past a week ago, because this won't be posted till the following week, if you get what I mean. Anyway, please like, comment, and please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for coming back, for everyone that's come back. Thanks to everyone that's new. I'm Shah. This is my lifestyle. And yeah, I hope you come back soon. Stay safe, be safe, peace. Bye. Hi guys, I had to jump back. I'm really sorry. It's many hours later. Kai's come home. He was so excited that I had put up his lights, and he didn't even care that it's only just the corner that was lit up. He was just too excited. Anyway, I'm just doing a bolognese right now. There's my spaghetti, my mince. I've got onions and peppers. Seasoning would be parsley, sea salt, garlic, onion, salt, and so forth. I have my broccoli here, which is going to go into, well, together once we've put the sauce. So that's dinner tonight. I've washed my hair. It's just conditioning right now. So I figured, let me put on dinner because it's getting late. Let me put the dinner on and show you this real quick. So Kylan decided that he's going to just fiddle around with the remote control, and this is what he managed to do. Yes. Bye, Kai.
Bye.
I didn't show Kylan on the clip because he doesn't like being on camera. That's why he was staying quiet just then. And I promised him that I won't put him on camera. However, because I'm not about that life. Anyway, if your child doesn't want to be on camera, don't force them. Anyway, that's why I needed to jump in. So it ended up being a success. Kylan is absolutely happy. The only problem is the settings for the colours. We're not sure what's going on with the remote control and how come you can't set it to a certain colour. We haven't figured it all out yet, but Kylan's happy. He's super stoked. He figured out how to make them just all come on like that. It looks a little bit like Christmas in there, but we will figure out how to do the rest of the colours, I guess. So it turned out that this was great and Kylan loves it, and that's what matters. Now stay safe, be safe, peace. Bye.